Okay, hi guys. I made this love resin. It's got gemstones in it and crushed glass. The mold is from Let's Resin. And then I poured this yesterday after I did the geode wall art. So I figured I would do kind of a video of the demolding of it and see how it turned out. So here we go. It's my first time using this mold, so bear with me. It's a little hard to get off of here, but I'm just being extra careful too because it's my first time doing it. My husband got this for me for Christmas, and that was my first time using it. So it's kind of hard to tell. I think it came out pretty good. You can kind of see the crushed glass. A little closer. And then the gemstones. I did, what I put in there, amethyst, peach moonstone, rose quartz, crystal quartz, and strawberry quartz. Yeah, so all that's in there. I think it came out really good. I'll probably do like maybe a pour just of clear resin or maybe white on the back. And then I might outline it in gold. So we'll see. You can follow me on my Instagram, Inspired Acrylics. I got a bunch more photos there. I've been trying to do maybe a video a day, if I can, for YouTube. So we'll see. Anyways, thanks for tuning in.